Hey folks, this is it. We are almost, you're so close. You're so close to being done. You're at the recap. So you have finished chapter 8 and 9. You learned a whole bunch of stuff about the bustle period and Victorian era and a little bit about Civil War, what people were wearing. You got some turn of the century and the impact of World War One in fashion. So you got to see a lot of what people were wearing through those dressing through the ages videos that I include. Okay, so this is it. You are gonna roll up onto the last module, right? So in the last module, we're just talking about everything else. We're talking about the movement from the 30s to through the 50s, the 70s, 80s, 90s, and then where we are right now. So fashion since the 2000s. So as we got a lot of stuff to fit into that final period. So so that's it. So hopefully you have looked at and started your Rep Your Culture project. Please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have questions. There also is a discussion board in there where you can ask the librarian for help. So if you have questions for the librarian, you can post them there, and either Selene or William will respond to you. Of course, if you have questions, please reach out to me, and I will take care of it. Remember, it's a two-part assignment. You do the assignment, and then you have a peer review to do as well. So I'm so excited. Listen, it wasn't that bad, right? It wasn't that bad. You made it through. All right, I'll see you at the next video. Bye.